that nowadays BSC scan coins are on the boom. It's a new trend and phenomenon. The best part of the BSC scan coin that I love the most, that is the transaction fee, transaction time, and in this video I will share one of the best BSC coin that is available on the CoinGecko, and also it is available on the PancakeSwap, so easily you can purchase the token right now. This token, if you are going to buy this token at the moment after this video, definitely you will get up to minimum 10x very soon. So if you want to know more, stay tuned with us because this video is only for you.
Feel uninvited.
The Tool token is the first and most advanced decentralized finance DeFi dashboard that aims at supercharging your trading experience on Binance Smart Chain BSC Scan. BSC Tool shares with traders on-chain and live trading data from the DeFi exchanges based on the Binance Smart Chain, like the CakeSwap, the Jolt exchange, these type of exchanges. You will get the entire data if you are going to use BSC.tools. In this way, users can get the access to deep historical data, chart candles, and the transactions that have been recorded on each of the platform. So overall, this token will be huge in near future because the thing is this, it is providing the entire data. As you can see, the DEX tool already providing these type of data for the Uniswap exchange, for the 1inch exchange. So this token, the Tool token, will help you to get the entire data which is available on the BSC scan at the moment. Right now this token is available on the CoinGecko and the price of one token is $4.17, and easily you can purchase the token directly from the PancakeSwap, and the volume is rapidly growing at the moment. So how you can purchase this token, that is basically the major question, and in this video I will tell you that how you can purchase the token and what are the main features of the Tools token. So first of all, if you want to purchase the token, simply you have to come on the CoinGecko, and from here you can copy the contract address, and also you can check out the contract address directly from the BSC scan. Right now what you have to do, you only have to copy this contract address, and after copying this contract address you have to go towards the PancakeSwap. You have to connect your MetaMask, and after connecting your MetaMask, when you are going to paste the contract address over here, you will get the option of tools. Right now I'm going to click on the add option. For example, if you are going to buy with 1 BNB, how much tools you will get? You will get at this time about 65 tools directly from the PancakeSwap. So it is one of the best chance for you to buy the token right now because at this time the price is entirely low. Now I will tell you some main feature of the Tools token, that how it will work and what will be the price of the Tools token in near future. So in the starting I will tell you the main thing. The major feature is Pair Explorer. Now what is Pair Explorer? That is a huge thing. Now here you can see the main website, the bsc.tools. So the main feature is the Pair Explorer, real-time price graph and transactions for your favorite pairs. For example, I'm not saying the Tools token, for example any ABC token. Right now the price of that token on one exchange is for example $1, but on any other exchange the price is for example $0.75. Then this tool will help you to get the correct information. So that is basically the Pair Explorer. Now the Pool Explorer, you will search for new pools, add or remove liquidity in a pair, find the best gems and avoid the scams. Nowadays you can see on the BSC scan number of scams are over there. So this token, the tool, will help you to get the best pools in the entire market, and also it will show you the entire data and volume, that how much the TVL is available over there. So you will get and you will understand the market entirely easily. Now the multi swaps, view and interact with multiple pairs on a single screen. Now the Gem Hunters network, a place for the gem hunters to collaborate and find hot new projects. The tools will also tell you that which project is entirely good for you to invest at the moment. Now the custom indicator and the Pine script, add custom indicator that suits your trading style. It will also give you some different type of styles, that whatever you like, that will be the best for you, and the tools will give you that one entire theme so you can easily trade. Now the last one, portfolio and yield optimizer. Track your portfolio in one place and suggest the main strategies for maximum yields. It will also tell you, the tools will tell you that which token is give you maximum yields if you are going to stake those tokens. Now something about the liquidity mining. Users will be able to earn the tools token as rewards for providing liquidity. Governance voting. Tools holder can vote on the features that they'd like to see on the main platform. Here you can see the entire contract address and also about the tokenomics of the tools token. Membership upgrade. BSC Tools is currently in open beta. After the open beta period ends, you will need to hold a set amount of tokens to access advanced features. Different membership tiers will be available in the future. The best part about the payment, BSC projects will be able to use tools to pay for the sponsorships and advertisements on the platform. These are basically the main partners of the tools tokens. Users can earn the tool tokens as rewards by farming at BSCEX launch pool. Now I will share something about the launch pool, that how you can stake those tokens. I will tell you, I already told you something about that, how you can buy the token. Now after buying the token, what you have to do to get some more income and also to get some more profit from this token, you can simply stake this token on the BSCEX launch pool. In depth tutorial will be released soon. The team is going to allocate 69.7% of the total supply. Right now the total supply is quite huge, so it will basically give about 69.7% of the total supply for the liquidity mining. 80% of the farm tokens will be locked for the first year and will be distributed continuously block by block in the following 2 years. 20% of the farm tokens are unlocked and will be distributed to the farmers and the team following the ratio. Liquidity mining rewards 70%, team only and only 20%, and marketing 10%. Here you can get the entire data like the BSC.tools, the ticker is tools. It is available on the Binance Smart Chain. So overall, this token is huge already, and it is going to give you the entire data of the market, especially the market which is available on the BSC scan, and also it will share the entire data of all the exchanges, where the basically you can say the decentralized exchanges which are available on the BSC scan at the moment. So as per my own idea about the price prediction of this token, the tools token, it will definitely reach up to minimum $17 or 18. So what you think about the price idea of the tools token, do let me know in the comment section. Thanks a lot.